Hi, I'm Hayden.
Hi, I'm Kim.
I'm Brad.
We're 626 Ohana, California, and today we are participating in the YouTube Merry Holiday Gift Exchange.
Yeah, Kim set this up and it's our first gift exchange.
Yeah, it's our first time hosting, so hopefully all the other channels had a good time like we did.
Yeah, it's been a fun season to do all this stuff, and so we hope you enjoy.
And then I'm going to link all the other channels below so you could watch their gift exchange openings as well.
Okay,
And there's some really great channels, so that's exciting.
Okay, so should we get to it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get to it.
We're going to let Hayden do the opening.
Well, I'm gonna do this
Well,
first.
Aww.
Let's open this first.
Why can't I use the knife?
Why?
Yeah,
Because.
it's a knife. Here.
Okay.
All right.
Look. Ooh.
Alright, let's get the packing slip first. A gift for you. So I will read that. Hope you like your items. Merry Christmas from Life with Lena, YouTube Vlogger Exchange. Okay, so we have Lena from Life with Lena that got our exchange.
And she'll be linked down below.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and open it.
Alright. Oops, sorry. Ooh.
Ooh, Sketch Tales Disney Edition.
I've never heard of that. That is cool.
Oh, what is
So,
it? Oh, it's like a sketching game.
oh, fun.
Drawing a dandelion. Number 1, it starts with a funny combination. Number 2, draw your best doodle and pass it on. Number 3, the next player tries to guess what you drew and passes it on.
Oh, cool.
Number 4, each new player tries to draw or guess what they see. Finally, lay out the unique and wonderful journey your character drawing went on. Points for hilarious drawing or guessing.
Okay, I have a feeling mine's going to be the hilarious drawing and guessing because I'm an awful artist, but this will stretch. This is really cool.
Yeah,
so
that is really neat.
this is for 4 to 8 players.
Oh, cool. It is dry erase markers too.
Oh, it's dry erase. Okay, cool. So if you guys don't see that, if you're still looking for Christmas ideas for Disney fans.
It might be a little close.
Yeah, but this is cool. I'm excited.
That's gonna be fun to play.
Yeah.
Especially when we go camping.
Yeah.
That's kind of the Eddie's RV thing on my shirt.
Okay. There's something else in there.
Well, let's see if there's any in front. Do not bend. Okay.
Okay. Do not bend.
And we're having you open it. Here.
Ooh. Ooh.
There's no place like home for the holidays.
Oh, cool. With the Disney.
Oh, cool.
Oh, and it looks like there's something else. Like,
Oh, there is? Okay, cool.
Let's see.
they're
'cause-
mine.
Oh,
Nope.
It's a
But
tag.
this is really cool. I'm gonna frame this.
that's really neat.
This is really pretty, Lena. I love it. And it's so rustic looking. It's just very holiday. I love this. This is gonna go up for next year. We hope to have a studio up. So this will be part of our holiday studio next year. So I went to thank Lena for her lovely gifts that she sent us and realized that there was supposed to be another package, and after doing a little running around, found out it got delivered to the neighbor's house. Our mailmen and Amazon sometimes get a little confused. But anyways, she sweetly also got us all this candy. So this is gonna be perfect to go with the game night and perfect like Christmassy atmosphere, so I'm excited. I have a huge chocolate tooth, so and so does Brad. So I have a
I
feeling.
think those are going to be mine.
Which one?
Almond Joys.
Wait.
Sometimes I feel like a nut.
And I know Hayden loves Kit Kats, and I love them all. So I'm excited. Thank you, Lena. This is so sweet. You really got us too much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we had so much fun getting to know you in this exchange.
And now back to the ending.
Thank you, Lena. We love our gifts.
Yeah, we enjoyed it. This is going to be a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah.
And yeah, this is going to be great.
So you definitely set us up great for the holidays. We appreciate it.
So we'd like to wish everybody happy holidays.
And a happy new year.
Of course, and hopefully no more of that thing that's going around.
Yeah, so hopefully we can get on some Disney vacation planning soon.
So with that, I think it's time for us to say goodbye and
Find
your magic. Bye, everybody.
Bye.